All right. Hey, everybody. Boy, have we got a treat for you. We've got a new listing. It's 10502 Scarlet Oaks Court over in the 40241 zip code, which is East Louisville. It's right up the street from Cabela's, Costco, Gene Snyder's right there. I-71 is right up the street. This is an amazing home. It's a huge ranch. As you can see here, 1,650 square feet on the main level, 1,230 square feet of finished space in the basement, and it's got a full bathroom down there. It's incredible property, all updated, huge yard, big covered front porch. Um, what's not to love? 2.5 car attached garage. It also has a ramp in there for anybody who might be in a wheelchair. This is very convenient, and there's plenty of space in there for your lawn equipment, your motorcycle, your cars. Um, you don't want to miss this one, folks. And talk about a convenient location. It's Westport Road, Brownsboro Road. It's just all good. So what I want to do right now is start up the little video, the Ripple video that Anita makes. It's got a little music with it. Kind of go through the pictures real quick, and then we're going to talk about some of the highlights this property has to offer. So stay tuned. All right. And nice little tune with that. Do you see that basement? It's all updated. It is, there's room for everything down there. I would put a theater down there. You could have a second family room down there. There's a full bathroom. There's space that could be used as a non-conforming bedroom if you needed it. There's a bar area. The laundry room is huge, open. There's a cedar lined closet in there, and it's very clean. The floors freshly painted. Everything looks fantastic. So you definitely don't want to miss this. Let's scroll through these pictures and get a good look at this property. Here's the great room, and it's you've got the rafters up there. I call this boxed in, vaulted. It's got a ceiling fan, new carpet, new everything. The flooring is all new. The paint is fresh. Fireplace, and that is a wood burning fireplace, I believe. Look at that backyard. The roof is fairly new. Plenty of parking. A semi-open floor plan. The kitchen is right there. You have some cabinets there, but it's very open. Stainless steel appliances in there. Look at that huge covered porch. Just perfect for sitting out there enjoying the sunsets. The colors in here are amazing, and the lighting and everything is, the fixtures are all modern. Look at this deck on the back. There's a 6-person hot tub back here that is working and perfect for hanging out. Do I have something here that might be exciting to see? Yeah, hanging out with friends and family, but in a hot tub, right? With some iced tea or the beverage of your choice. Um, Overlooking that amazing yard. It's in a cul-de-sac tucked back in this neighborhood. The Bluegrass Fields, right up from Walmart, Costco, off of Chamberlain Lane. It's the perfect location. And plenty of cabinets. Look at that roof. Looks fantastic. It's a fenced backyard. It's a fire pit back there, I believe. Um, or maybe not. I thought there was a fire pit back there. As you can see here, 2.5 car garage around the back. Plenty of room for getting in and out of there with ease. Fresh paint all around. Yeah, you've got to love the colors in here. White cabinets, stainless steel. The I want to call this vinyl plank flooring, and then the brand new carpet really brings it all together. This place just looks fantastic. You have a formal dining room. Is that what this is? I want to say this is the formal dining room, right off of the kitchen. Oh no, that's the eat in. That picture, that door, I believe goes to the garage. Yes, this is the eat in kitchen dining area. So as we go, you do have a formal dining room. There's the access to the basement right off of the garage. It's perfect. When you have a full bathroom down there, it really makes the possibilities endless in the basement. There's that fireplace, gorgeous view out back, French doors looking out back onto the deck area. Let's look at this place. There's your formal dining room. And it's, I want to say this is 12 by 9 feet. It's perfect size. Not too big, not too small. Wainscoting in there, fresh paint. Large windows looking out into the front and backyard. Perfect layout here. This is your living room. So what you have, I'm calling that the great room in the back. I'm also calling it a family room. So in the MLS report, I believe I'm calling it a family room, calling this area by the front entry the living room or a sitting area. Uh, Again, perfect layout here. In the back, the family room or great room. This front area, a living room or a sitting area, or you name it. There's a lot of space here to do what you want. Even the entry is gorgeous, open. You've got these wood doors, double doors that look fantastic. And as you can see, the light fixtures, there's crown molding. Uh, just so much going for this place. Another shot of the back room. Now this is the hall bathroom, and it has one of those super comfortable, deep jetted tubs that you open the door on it, you climb in, you close it. And so for people that struggle to get in and out of tubs, this is perfect for you. But anybody in the family would love this. Who wouldn't want to sit in that and just relax? I know a hot tub with jets always feels great when you're feeling under the weather, and this one is no exception. It is perfect for relaxing and just taking it all in. And there's that door opened up on there. Look how deep that is. I swear it's 3.5 feet deep. This whole place is just fresh. This is the primary bedroom, and you have a walk-in closet, but you also have two what I call double closets and a window looking out back. Gorgeous ceiling fan, new carpet in there. We'll get over to the bathroom, kind of semi-open over here where you have the sink that's open to the primary bedroom. Then you have a walk-in closet back here that has a locking door if you needed. Uh, might have something in there you want to, like a safe or something. The bathroom here with the shower, it's a custom shower with double seats built into this and the privacy commode. And boy, what's not to love about this primary bedroom? It's a good size, and we could actually jump over here if that doesn't reset anything. The primary bedroom is 14.5 by 13.5 square feet. That's pretty decent size, so it'll fit almost anything in there. And you also have a walk-in closet. So there's all kinds of space for your clothes, your shoes, you name it. You're safe if you want to put that in there. If you have guns, like a gun safe or something, it's nice to have that in that closet. It's nice to have it locked if you have the kids at the house or something like that. You certainly want to be safe. The secondary bedrooms, new carpet, big windows, gorgeous views outside, and large double closets in both of these. Very nicely set up. Now, when you get into the basement, this is just very large spaces and areas for everything. You could have a gym down here. You could have, look at these storage shelves. There's also storage in the laundry room. And I don't know if we have pictures of that in the mix, but it's very large. It's 400 plus square feet in the laundry room. And but you can have a gym, exercise room. You've got that bar, so you can have kind of a recreational area, a theater, or a second family room over here. This right here is perfect for a theater. There's a big closet under the stairs. I think we'll see that at a different angle here. There's a closet here that you've got plenty of storage there. It's well lit down here, as you can see. And this here could be a family room, could be an exercise area, it could be a project area. You name it. You can do whatever you want down here. Imagine the possibilities. I mean, really, there's room for everything. It's just a big basement. And it looks great. Those new floors just look amazing. You've got a bar area. It's not a wet bar, but it's a bar all the same. It's perfect for having some friends over, some family. Really, especially if the weather's bad outside, you've got this basement to turn to for entertainment. You could have a lot of people down here and really have a good time and comfort. And over here's that area that would possibly work as a non-conforming bedroom space if you wanted. There is a full bathroom right here that's next to that space. And really, always love a bathroom in the basement. When you've got a bathroom down there, it really opens up a lot of possibilities. And even the bathroom looks amazing down here. It's good stuff. And there's that jetted tub again. Boy, doesn't that look relaxing? And it looks like it's got a lot of controls. I believe, you've got hot water jets blowing onto your back and the back of your legs here. Makes me feel like getting into a hot tub already. That custom shower, look, it's updated. It's very nice, and there's lots of space in that thing and 2 seats in there. It's nice to be able to sit down to wash your feet and things like that, as opposed to trying to stand and wash your feet. I don't know. Is that maybe giving too much information? But you don't want to slip and fall in the shower, and having that seat there, or even double seats, really makes it easy, right? And here's some views from up above. And just this yard is 1/3 of an acre, I believe. It's fenced back here. Lots of shrubs and trees to really kind of give you some privacy. But the neighborhood is quiet. And just some shots from above. Lots of drone pictures here. It was hard to get pictures of the front of this home because there are these trees that are around, but they provide shade, privacy to some degree, and really can make it comfortable to be out on the front porch. And just, could you imagine just sitting here? There's all this space here to kind of kick back and have some tea, watch the neighbors that might be out walking their dogs, and just a great place to relax after a long day at work. If not in the jetted tubs or the big 6-person jet tub on the back, jacuzzi back there, and plenty of yard. The backyard has all kinds of space for really anything you might want to put back there. There's room for a second garage if you wanted. Now, this neighborhood does have an HOA. There are covenants and restrictions you'd want to check to make sure you could put anything like that in, but I see a lot of room for play, a lot of room for whatever you might want to cook out, right? Having friends and family over for the barbecue. And the deck is large. There's a chimney for that fireplace, and it's all fresh paint on the outside, all the parts that are painted, all brick exterior, except for some of this. I believe this is wood that's painted. Look, it's in great condition. There's really nothing that stood out. They did have a branch that fell back here out of the tree, and they've had that cleared out of there since then. But look at this. Very good stuff. This really, I can see everybody wanting to hang out here. Cold beverage on those comfortable afternoons or evenings. Really more fun in the evening, right? Plenty of parking. The roof looks fantastic. And so we're back to picture 1. So let's get back over here. The home was built in 1978. It is 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a full finished basement, 2.5-car garage, a fireplace, vaulted ceiling in the family room in the back there, new flooring, carpet, paint, fixtures throughout, stainless steel appliances in there. So I tell you, give us a call. Let's get you on the schedule to see this place. If you need space, this place has got it. If you're looking for a place where you could have so much room in your basement for different areas that you have envisioned, this is the home for that. Plenty of yard. It's fenced in the back. Perfect for some pets, or if some kids are hanging out. You got your kids back there. It's or you've got entertaining going on. There's room for everything. You can get up the badminton right back there while you're cooking out. I could just see it being a great time over here at this property. So give us a call, and you might want to check out our website. Let me put this on full web here so you can see a little bit of me in that picture. It cuts my face off, but get over to mobishow.co. mobishow.co. mobishow.com, and check out our listings. We've got many listings over there. We need them sold, and they are all magnificent properties. So this one is a winner. Look at that, 5-star Google reviews. Our clients love us because we take care of them. And if you have any needs, we will absolutely take care of you as well. You will be a priority. You never feel like you are not focused. Your interests are not a priority. The home you're looking for is not a priority. We do not mess around. Over here at Facebook, come over and friend request us. We'd love to have you, and you'll get notices of new listings and all the fun stuff that goes on with the Double Advantage team. And then we also, you're here right now, but our YouTube channel. And you see, we got 72 subscribers. We really would like to step that up. So it would be fantastic if you would subscribe to our channel over on YouTube, turn on notifications, and then if you're looking or a loved one is looking for a home, you'll be the first to get this when you have the notifications on, and you'll get to see the property review video, what we call the PRV. Absolutely good stuff. You want to be connected. We also offer, if we can get over there right now, let me go full web on this. We have what we call the Double Advantage Guidance Series, where we are offering up information about, I'm getting ready to make some videos about the dangers of the for sale by owner approach, also preparing your house for sale, and just a lot of different things that you may not consider that a expert real estate agent could really break down and help you make decisions and get you on your way to getting your home ready to sell. As far as buyers, we do not mess around. We will take care of you. You will be a priority, and your interest is our interest. They sound like good stuff? It's all sincere. We do not play games. We're telling you how it is, and we want you to know that you are important to us. So with that being said, we're going to sign off here. You all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for viewing this video. We really appreciate it. Give us a like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. You'll be glad you did. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.